All right, we're going to just talk to the camera. Hi guys, my name's Billy Tate and I am a filmmaker and production manager for a fairly large church here in Southern California. My specialty has been in doing documentary style films and doing live streams for worship services and events. I did a bunch of wedding photography when I was first starting and owned a podcast studio up until about 3 years ago that we produced over 1,000 podcasts for different clients and faith-based ministries during COVID. And I am coming to you guys here today because I am taking a 30-day challenge to get from behind the camera up into the front of the camera and start talking to the camera. I've never been comfortable in this scenario and in this position. I've always been on the back side of the camera making the pictures pretty. But now I'm making a transition to share with you some of the knowledge and some of the experiences that I've gained over 55 years of life. And some of the things that we're going to work on during this series, and we're going to share with you some experiences and some projects that I have working on Harley Davidsons out in the shop. I have a set up out there that we're going to go over and do some installation of some parts and customization and just talk about general maintenance on Harley Davidsons. We're going to obviously talk about cameras. I shoot on Sonys, I shoot on Blackmagics, Canons. I have DJI Pockets, Actions, Insta360, 360 cameras, all types of different equipment and lenses that we can compare, and just talk about and share my experiences and share how we create some images kind of like this with this equipment. I'm also going to do some cooking tutorials. My wife is real big into baking and doing different recipes and whatnot, so she'll be involved in some of this with me, or she never knows, she might do a 30-day challenge of her own. I'm also going to work on some preparedness topics. I work with one of the largest creators in the YouTube space when it comes to prepping. And I have a lot of experience shooting for that, designing studios and shooting product demonstrations and commercials for that space. So I'm sure we'll touch on some solar generators or go over some different first aid kits and knives and all different types of things that are involved with that. And yeah, so that's kind of just a brief rundown, and I just wanted to introduce myself to you and let you know what we're going to try to do with this channel. I'm not real sure where it's going to go, not really any ambition or real goals set for that right now. Shoot me down some comments down below and let me know what you guys might want to see as we progress through this, and I'll try to work some of that stuff in there. But once again, I'm going to take a 30-day challenge to get in front of this camera for 5 to 10 minutes every day, and we're just going to share some of the experiences and adventures and travels that me and my wife do and I do throughout my day. And I'm going to try to get more comfortable here in front of this camera and sharing that knowledge rather than keeping it to myself and staying behind the camera. I just want to thank you for watching this and taking the time to go on this journey with me. And hey, I look forward to your comments and we're going to take it from there. So this is the end of day 1 and the first video that we're going to shoot, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a fantastic day and God bless. Bye-bye.